Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, in the midst of this coronavirus, I'm trying to give you something else to look at. Not yet. I have that video coming up. But our video on today, we will be unboxing our Allure Beauty box for the month of March. Okay? Now, for those of you who are not familiar with the Allure Beauty box, it is a monthly subscription box, and yes, it is associated with the Allure magazine, and you know they know about all things beauty. Okay, so this box is $15 per month, and they give you a sample of items that they think are worthy of mention. So we're going to check out what they deemed mentioning worthy right now. Our theme for the month of March is spring vibes. Okay, and it says so right here in the mini mag, which comes in every box. It's loaded with coupon codes as well as in-depth descriptions of each of the items enclosed in the box. So it of course comes in a box, like, you know, so it's got the tissue paper and then the items. So we're going to go through, we're going to do this, match it up with the mini mag. Okay, so let's jump right in. And yes, if you see me in the same outfit as you did in my curl box unboxing, okay, I'm trying to get them knocked out so you'll have something to keep you occupied while we are on quote-unquote lockdown. Okay, so the first item that we have is the Rondell Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. Okay, I think it's time for another mascara giveaway. You know, they're starting to really pile up again. Okay, and this one says, and this item was picked by Cara McGrath, and she is the digital deputy editor. And she said about a year ago, she decided to test nearly 100 mascaras, y'all, in one summer. For 3 months, she tried one a day, and only about a quarter made the mascaras she actually liked list. Okay, and this one right here, the Rondell Glamo Lash Mascara XXL. This is one that made her list. It said the formula is very inky, so it evenly coats lashes on the first swipe. Building it up is a breeze too. She says on a normal day, she'd add 3 layers and never had to deal with clumping. Okay, I think this will be the next one that I open. Although the brush is thick, the thinner tip makes it easy to hit the bottom lashes as well. Glamo Lash is billed as a long-wear formula, and she can confirm that there's almost no fallout at the end of the day, yet it's easy to remove with an oil cleanser. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $28. This is a full-size product, and we do have a 20% off coupon code. Okay, so that's item number 1. Item number 2 is a sample size, and this one is the Mahmoud Red Energy Recovery Serum. Okay, and this one was chosen by Devin Albelman, and she is also a digital beauty editor. And what she says is, while in Seoul, South Korea last spring, she saw ads for this particular product, the Mahmoud Red Energy Recovery Serum, everywhere. Now it's available stateside, and she's added the silky gel to her daily lineup. It's spiked with flower extracts like antioxidant-rich pomegranate flower and absorbs quickly without any annoying stickiness. It takes a couple of weeks for the smoothing and brightening benefits to kick in, but the serum's hydrating powers can be felt instantly. The manufacturer suggested retail price for the full-size product is $40, and it can be purchased at Ulta, and we also have a coupon code. Okay, you can't use it at Ulta, but you can use it on their website. So I just want to check it out. Let's see. Okay, so a couple of squirts. Oh wow. Yes, it's like drinking it in. Look at the difference. Right there. Okay, nice. It has a really light pomegranate smell. It's not boom in your face, so that's pretty good right there. Then the next item that we have is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. That means super dark. Super duper dark. Okay, and this one was written by Jana Forbes, and she is the digital hair editor for Allure. Now, her description says, back in college, when I was browsing beauty blogs and message boards as part of routine procrastination from her caseload, the consensus was that an eyeliner stash wasn't complete without the cult favorite formula. Okay, and now she fully understands that reason. Okay, and it says it's creamy, so there's no skipping or tugging, and it leaves behind a fully pigmented line that's easy to blend. Run your pinky or a dense shadow brush on top. If you're not into smudging, you can leave the line alone. You'll get a tight, smooth definition and will stay put all day. Manufacturer suggested retail price on a full size is $22, and of course it can be purchased at urbandecay.com, and we do have a 10% off coupon code. Okay, now I think, okay, I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one. I have lots and lots of eyeliners, so what I will do is put a full-size one in a giveaway. And this one is a sample size. So here we go. It was very smooth to go on, and I don't know if the lights are doing this justice, but this right here is beautiful black. It's really, really beautiful. So that is item number 3. Then item number 4 is by the company Dr. Botanicals, and it's the Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. This description is written by, she just refers to herself as JC. This one is another full-size product, and let's see what she has to say. Some ointments are so gelatinous that you can barely spread them across the skin. But this one is creamy and pastel yellow, and the light citrus scent really makes it feel like a treat, not a treatment. She uses it all over face, hands, elbows, knees, and cracked heels. The blend of coconut oil, lemongrass oil, and antioxidants keeps her skin from drying out and makes this one of the few items that travels from purse to purse along with her keys, wallet, and headphones. She says she can't be without it for 1 minute. Manufacturer suggested retail price on the full-size product, which is what this one is, really, is $14.90, and it can be purchased at drbotanicals.com. And once again, we do have a 20% off coupon. Now this one, it is sealed. I do love it when they come sealed. Okay. Oh, it smells really nice. Well, I must admit, it does have a very nice lemony scent. Oh my God, that smells so good. Okay, it went on very nice and smooth, and it absorbed right into my skin very, very quickly. So even when I rub my hand across, it's not, you know, tugging right there. I agree. It does feel like a treat and not a treatment. You know what I am going to do? Since I have nothing but time on my hands for a while, we are on lockdown here. I think, let me know what you think, but I would love to talk about some products that I've tried out of the boxes lately, the ones that have really, really, you know, done something for me, things that I'm loving. I think I will share that one with you very soon. If you'd like to hear about those, let me know in the comment section below, okay? I'd appreciate it, because I definitely want to give you things that'll keep you watching, keep you coming back. So then, our next item is by a company called Floss. This is what the outside of the packaging looks like. Okay, and this description is written by Nicola Dallison, and she is a digital staff writer as well. And it says Floss, her new favorite gloss in LAX. And it says, because lip gloss was everything when she was a kid, wearing it now sometimes makes her feel like a preteen. But unlike the gooey glosses of her youth, this formula feels like a hybrid of a creamy liquid lipstick and a hydrating lip mask. A few swipes of the LAX shade delivers a peachy pink hue with just a hint of shine. She grabs it when she needs a nude look with a retro feel. She thinks Twiggy meets Bond Girl. Okay, but the true genius of this gloss might just be the squishy tube that enables you to use every last drop. Okay, now getting a really nice nude is difficult. It's really difficult. But I don't want to swatch this one because I do have a few that I like. Now, I must admit, I do have an actual Floss clear lip gloss, which is amazing. My granddaughter is always trying to get that one. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put this to the side to include in an upcoming giveaway. I appreciate y'all, so that's the least I could do. Okay, so moving right along, the last item in my box is by Pylab, and I received the hyaluronic moisturizing mask. Okay, right here. And this description is written by Kathleen Suko, and she is the assistant editor. Okay, and what she has to say is, I've put my skin through a lot lately. She's been traveling on planes back to back and may have committed the cardinal sin of sleeping in her makeup once or twice. All that and a lack of sleep left her complexion looking a little dull. This sheet mask got her back to her usual dewy self. It super saturated, and after 20 minutes, her skin was moisturized thanks to the hyaluronic acid, and redness faded. She followed it up with her usual nighttime routine and noticed a radiance that she hadn't seen in a while. Manufacturer suggested retail price for these masks are $3, and she said it can be purchased at labcostusa.com. And if you use the coupon code that's in here with your purchase, it says at checkout you can receive a free charcoal exfoliating and cleansing pad, and this is good up until your purchase on April the 30th. Okay, so these are the items from our March Allure Beauty Box. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. I appreciate it very much. Trying to give you information, but keep it short, sweet, and to the point. So, please remember, actually, before I let you go, let me just say, included in this month's box, we did have 4 full-size products. Now, we did receive 6, but 4 of which this month were full-size products. So, not bad for $15. What do you think? So, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.